In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in Gmail. This process is quite straightforward, but following these steps will ensure you have a seamless experience managing your emails. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. If you haven't logged into your account yet, enter your username and password. Once you're in, head over to the inbox where you usually receive all your emails. If you have a specific email in mind that you just don't want to deal with anymore, this is where you'll find it. Now, locate the email from the address you'd like to block. Click to open this email and take a look at the header of the email right next to the sender's name. There, you'll find a tiny arrow pointing downwards. This small arrow is quite the gateway to managing your email settings, including blocking senders. Click on this downward arrow. A menu will appear. Carefully read through the options until you find the option labeled Block Sender's Name. This choice is generally towards the bottom of the list, but should be easy enough to spot. Select this option, and Gmail will show you a confirmation dialog, letting you know that future emails from this sender will be placed in the spam folder. Confirm your action by clicking Block in the prompt. Doing so reroutes the emails, freeing your inbox from unwanted clutter. You might be wondering how you can manage blocked addresses in the future. Don't worry. Gmail makes it simple for you to unblock these addresses if you ever change your mind. Simply head into your Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon found in the upper right corner of your Gmail window. Once there, click See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, where you'll find a list of currently blocked email addresses. Here, you have the option to unblock any addresses you'd like to start receiving emails from again, just in case you ever need to reverse your decision. A quick tip. Blocking addresses in Gmail doesn't notify the sender that they've been blocked, so you don't have to worry about any uncomfortable confrontations. The international feature ensures that those emails skip your inbox entirely. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to blocking email addresses in Gmail. This is such a handy tool for managing who gets into your digital space, giving you more control over your email communication. Keep in mind that these steps can be used repeatedly for any other unwanted emails you receive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in having a cleaner and more organized inbox.